This is our last lesson for the letters. This first letter is wow. 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 Has a W sound. Wow. 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 Next letter is ha. Ha. When you say in English, aha. Aha. That has a similar ha. Ha. Next letter is Hamza. Hamza, which has a sound. A. Hamza. 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 Last letter is ya. Ya. Similar to the Y in English. Ya. Ya. The last letter is just ya in some forms when it's isolated. All right, here we go for the quiz. Ha. The letter ha. Wow. Wow. This, if you haven't seen it, is another form of what we did when we covered ha, which was just a round circle. This is another form, ha. This is our last letter that we did. 2 dots on the bottom, that's important. Yeah. Yeah. Which letter was this? Hamza. Hamza. One more quiz to mix it up a little bit. What you see highlighted is Hamza. 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 Next letter highlighted. Wow. Wow. Next. Yeah. 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 Next one. The letter ha. Ha. And our last letter is yeah. Thank you for watching.